Vlogmas, it's Vlogmas, and today we're cooking goulash. First you'll need a skillet, pan, what is it, skillet? I call it a skillet. Then you're gonna throw it on high. You're gonna put your meat in it. 2 pounds of ground meat.
Something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly. And we're
season it with garlic, seasoned salt, and pepper.
Had I been there.
While that's cooking, I'm gonna cut up an onion and some cloves of garlic.
Some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of our fault. I'm sorry, but we had something real. A bit of you, a bit of me. And now I'm swimming through a bittersweet, bitter truth. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye. Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye. Call out to everyone I know. Buy me a drink and help me let go of this suffering. Oh, help me get back again. Cause we had love enough, a bit of time, a bit of
Now that it's brown, you're gonna drain it and add your onion and garlic to it.
love. Now I'm dreaming up peace of mind, getting unstuck. I don't
And now I'm gonna start the noodles.
know how to start over.
I put about a cup and a half. And once the noodles are cooked, you're gonna drain them.
With someone else, thinking
Now you're gonna add the noodles,
of you, still making me
tomatoes,
breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all-out, drawn-out goodbye. Like an
mixed together. You plate it, and there you go. I like to add ranch to mine. My ex liked cheese. And bon appetit.
all-out, drawn